Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to share how to remove the factory radio and navigation from the Subaru Outback or Legacy with the McIntosh sound system and screen navigation. This car, to remove the system is quite easy, but let's have a look at how we do it. We already did some panel off, and so we can follow up easier. This panel already been off and it has just plastic clip behind, so to remove that panel is simply just use a small plastic removal tool like this, slide from the bottom and go around and push it out and it comes out. You can look at another video that we have to remove the normal radio from this kind of car, in the normal car with that McIntosh. So here go again. In this one, we need to remove, after we remove this panel, we will see 4 screws holding the top screen, 2 other screws holding the bottom section here, and 2 other screws holding the another bottom section underneath of the air conditioner control, which actually is this one, this bottom section control, air conditioner control here. It's holding by 2 screws. So after we remove all of the screw on the side of the head and the LCD, we start removing this part first, and then you can pull out the head unit, and it comes actually as a whole a whole piece like this, and then you just unplug all the cable, and there's one special cable that you need to remove, is that you pull out this side panel here on the side, and then unscrew one of the screw at the bottom, which is this one here like this, and it's holding this side panel underneath, okay, and you can slide this one out easier, okay, and then you actually can pull out this plastic cover, and after that you can see this one. This is the connector for the top LCD screen module, which stay behind this module. Is the wiring cable over here, and that wiring cable run behind into the center console and go down here. So it connect, just pull it out. It is kind of multiple S video connector over there. See that one? Unplug, and after that get a small plier to push out this little white pin lock top over here, okay, because it holds the cable. So at this moment, after you do that, you actually free the white lock top from this, and you already free the cable out, so you can go up on the top, and you can start pulling the cable upward, and you get this cable up, and at this moment the head unit is almost free out of the place, okay. So there's another white and black cable here, okay, that you need to unplug, which is this one, okay. So you need to chase it down on the side and unplug this one. So I will do it in another short video after this, and after that you can totally unplug the head unit.